Let's learn how to download a video from X or Twitter application on your phone. So before we start, we need to mention that X app doesn't have built-in download option for their videos like a TikTok, for example. But we can still download them by using websites, so let's start. Firstly, you want to open X app, scroll down a bit until you find some video you want to download. We chose random one to use like an example for this video. Once you find a video you want, you will have to copy its link. You can do that in two ways. First one, like me, you can just tap on Share Post button. It's the little arrow showing up side and bottom right corner of the video. Second way to copy. Video link is almost same method, but you will first click on the video, then click again on screen to show those like comments, share options, and do the same thing as shown on the video. After you've done that, you will have to go browser, as we are going to use an website for download. In the video I'm using Safari, but it works on every browser, so on search bar you will have to type sstwitter.com or just Google it like I did. Wait a bit until site loads, and when it does you will see big blank insert video button. Click on it, paste your video link on there and tap on blue download button. When loading finishes, you will see that we now got few different options for download. First one is the best resolution, but you will have to watch an ad before downloading it. To avoid the ad, I will download the worst resolution video by selecting second one button in a row. Once you've done that, new pop-up button will appear. Just tap on download. When video finishes with downloading, blue little mark will appear in corner, tap it, and go to downloads option, and there will be your freshly downloaded video. As it might disappear from browser downloads in few days, don't worry because it's still on your phone. You will just have to go to your phone files and locate it where it's downloaded. As for me, I will just go to Recents page and it's here as you can see, and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.